Hey guys, iDevice Help here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about iOS 14 and what could very well be the next app switcher for the iPhone. Now, in case you did not know, over the past several days, reliable sources have leaked what they're calling an early internal build of iOS 14 with a brand new look for the app switcher. Now, this has been subject of debate because, of course, this can easily be mimicked with a jailbreak tweak. And in this video, I wanted to test if this was to be iOS 14 app switcher. Will this work on any size display, from an iPhone SE, which is the smallest one if it does get iOS 14 support, to a larger display like the iPhone XS. Now, the leaks show an iPhone 11 Pro Max supposedly running this latest build for iOS 14, this internal build for iOS 14, but I'll link everything in the description. One thing you want to keep in mind is that this source that leaked it also leaked last year's iOS 13 volume HUD, so it has somewhat of a credibility, so just take everything with a grain of salt. Now, one thing also to keep in mind is that Apple on the iPad has this look right here for the app switcher. This is what currently Apple offers for the app switcher on iPads. Now, on the iPhone, of course, this is what Apple offers right here, these cards. Now, on the iPad, they use these tiles for the app switcher, which to me actually work a little better than the cards. Now, a lot of you guys are also asking for Apple to add a one-button click to clear all applications. The reason Apple doesn't do that is because iOS is designed to run with multiple applications in the background without any issues. If you need to quit an application individually, you can just swipe it away and restart the app. There's no real reason to quit all the applications. It's not really going to improve anything on your iPhone. But the main purpose of this video is to see, will this feel natural? Will this feel right on a smaller display? And after using this jailbreak tweak on the iPhone SE, I do have to say, I prefer this over the card style that Apple currently offers in iOS 13. It feels a lot nicer, a lot easier to reach. Things are a lot more clear. I can see the apps a lot more easily right here on this layout. And on the iPhone XS here that you see, I also have this jailbreak tweak going. And I have to say, I do prefer this layout for the app switcher. So if this was to be a real internal iOS 14 early build leaked, I'm very, very happy if Apple moves forward with these plans because it feels a lot better. It actually feels a lot nicer to use this app switcher rather than the old card app switcher. And by the way, as I mentioned, this will also unify everything. Just like the iPad will have these tiles instead of these cards. So it would make sense if Apple was to be testing an internal build as of right now, because iOS 14, we're a little over 3 months away actually from WWDC. So if Apple is currently testing iOS 14 and this was to be the app switcher, I have to say it feels a lot better on smaller display devices, and this would actually bring hope for iPhone SE owners and iPhone 6s owners as well with smaller displays to support iOS 14, although I do not believe those devices will be supported. But this app switcher actually improves the user experience. I prefer this over. Let me know what you think in those comments down below. Would you prefer Apple doing this style app switcher, the tiles instead of the cards? Let me know your thoughts. Do you believe this is actually a real leak, or is this just a jailbreak tweak? Let me know everything you think in the comments down below. Thank you for watching today's video, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.